back at it again with the Morphe 35H palette for some 4th of July inspired looks. Hey, it's Amanda. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day and welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time here and you enjoy beauty hauls, unboxings, reviews, first impressions, and more, you've come to the right place to hit subscribe for new videos weekly. Oh my gosh, we are in July and I'm just like, where did the year go? We're over half of the year now and I've never done inspired looks from like a holiday before, and I have been living for this Morphe 35H palette. So I'm like, we got some reds, we got some blues. That's very patriotic. I'm gonna just dab back into this palette and just try to come up with some 4th of July looks. So if you're looking for some inspiration for the 4th of July, just keep on watching. So I've already applied my base using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I have really been loving that base. I'm just gonna go in with this shade and set it like I did in my first video testing out this palette. I just really liked how this shade really set the base, just to make sure it's all nice and smooth prior to application of these beautiful, stunning shades. I will also leave a link up in the cards and the description below of full swatches and also of doing my first 3 initial looks using this one palette. Alright, now that we're looking all nice and crazy, let's dive in. I'm gonna start off with my Luxie 231 Tapered Blending. I really like this shade a lot. I use this shade to do my watermelon look, so I'm just gonna use this shade first. It's a fun pop of pinky red and just applying it right here to the crease, just get things going. I really liked how this shade built up. So do you guys have any 4th of July plans? Definitely let me know. Me, Griffin, and Catherine are heading to Cedar Point. Very excited. It's mine and Griffin's first time going. The 3 of us are roller coaster junkies. I think I'm gonna ride everything except for Top Thrill, Dragster, just because there are some roller coasters or some rides in general that I've had really, really bad panic attacks on, and I don't want to ruin everyone's fun. Because like when I ride a roller coaster, like I'm not like leaned back, it freaks me out for some reason. So I'm always like, I'm like propped up a little bit. And with Top Thrill going so fast, it's only like a 13-second ride. I don't know, it just, my heart and stomach just churn thinking about it. So I'm just like, that might be my one pass. We went to an amusement park called King's Dominion last year, and there was this roller coaster called Intimidator 305, and at our local amusement park we have a ride called the Intimidator. They're very similar, except 305, oh my gosh, it was bigger, but it doesn't bother me, but it went so much faster when you go up and then down and you do your first turn. I've never grayed out on a roller coaster before and it scared me. I was shaking when we got off that ride. So after that experience, and there's also this one other thrill ride called the Windseeker, like I was like in tears. It's just like gigantic swings that go up 300 feet in the air, but there's just something about it like that just was very unsettling with me, and I was in tears. I love rides, but sometimes my anxiety does get the best of me. Don't really want to go to urgent care on vacation. I'm gonna take a Luxie 229 Tapered Blending. I'm gonna take this darker shade right here just to deepen things up a bit. Do you guys like roller coasters? Do you guys gonna go to the lake? That's what we used to do. And then also we used to go, Griffin's parents, we used to go to like Charleston back in the day. smoke out nice on me. Maybe it's just me. I definitely found that this shade was harder to smoke out on the lower lash than on my base. Water aside, you can tell that it doesn't look as blended and smoked out like it does on top. That is something I am noticing. Definitely share your 4th of July looks with me. Would love to see them. Also, if you have the 35H palette, let me know what looks you've created with it as well. I would love to know what you've created. Have you had any issues with any of the shades? Do your eyes water like mine? What is going on here? Maybe it'll look better when I'm editing than it does on my monitor. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it inspirational for the 4th of July. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.